Have you ever wondered if someone has blocked you on Instagram? The thought might have crossed your mind at least once, and you're not alone. Today, we unravel this digital enigma and shine a light on the telltale signs that you might have been blocked. First, let's understand what blocking on Instagram means. It's a feature that allows users to restrict another user's access to their profile. If blocked, you won't be able to see the person's posts, stories, or even their profile. Now, how do we determine if we've been blocked? The first indicator is profile visibility. If you notice that you can no longer view the posts, stories, or the profile of a person you used to follow, this could be a sign that they have blocked you. Another method involves using the search bar. If you're unable to find the person in the search results, or if their profile appears but lacks the usual details, you might be dealing with a block. Remember, this isn't foolproof, as it could also mean the user has deactivated their account. The world of direct messages can also offer clues. If your messages are not delivering, or if the seen status has disappeared from previous messages, it could mean you've been blocked. Additionally, if the person's activity status is no longer visible to you, it might be another sign. Mutual connections can also provide insights. If you can no longer see the person's comments or likes on a mutual friend's posts, it could be because you've been blocked. While Instagram doesn't provide a direct feature to check if someone has blocked you, there are third-party tools and methods that can help. However, be cautious while using these and always respect privacy boundaries. In conclusion, while being blocked can feel disheartening, it's essential to approach it with maturity and resilience. Remember, everyone has the right to curate their digital space. If you've been blocked, respect that decision and continue enjoying your Instagram experience. Today, we've explored the concept of Instagram blocking, how profile visibility, search results, direct messaging, and mutual connections can indicate a block, and how third-party tools can sometimes help. The digital realm can be tricky to navigate, but with these insights, you're now equipped to handle it. Stay savvy, stay respectful, and remember, Instagram is a space for positivity and connection. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. Until next time, happy scrolling.